Is your MacBook stuck on a blank screen, leaving you in digital darkness? Let's bring your MacBook back to life by troubleshooting a blank screen issue on startup. First, ensure your MacBook is properly charged. Try plugging it into its official charger and letting it sit for at least 15 minutes. Then attempt to power it on again. Sometimes a completely drained battery can cause this. Next, we'll try a forced restart. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until your MacBook shuts down completely. Then, release the button and wait a few seconds before pressing it again to turn it back on. If the blank screen persists, we'll reset the System Management Controller, or SMC for MacBooks with a non-removable battery. Shut down your MacBook, then press and hold the Shift, Control, and Option keys on the left side of the keyboard, all at the same time. While simultaneously pressing and holding the power button, keep holding all four keys for about 10 seconds. Then release them. Finally, press the power button to turn on your MacBook. Another crucial step is to reset the NVRAM or PRAM. Shut down your MacBook, turn it back on, and immediately press and hold the Option, Command P, and R keys together. Hold them for about 20 seconds, during which your Mac may appear to restart. Release the keys after the startup sound plays for the second time or after the Apple logo appears and disappears for the second time. If your MacBook starts up but still shows a blank screen after the Apple logo, it could be a display or software issue. Try booting into safe mode by restarting and immediately holding down the Shift key until you see the login window. If any of these steps successfully resolve the blank screen, your MacBook should be back to normal. Remember, a persistent blank screen can sometimes indicate hardware issues, but these common software-based troubleshooting steps will help you diagnose and hopefully fix the problem quickly.